Mark. We
What?
broke the law.
What do you mean the speed of light?
The speed of light.
Oh, well, when you say speed of light, what do you mean by that? Do you mean the speed that light travels, or
everything
the
went
speed
faster
of
because
light?
of gravity can have a weird bounce back effect.
Right.
And it broke us faster than the speed of light in one dimension.
In one dimension?
Yes, that's why it's shaped that way.
What way, Troy?
Like that, the oval shape.
Oh, the oval.
Yeah. So
The ovula?
the parabolic, whatever.
The parabolic?
Elliptical.
Okay, now we're getting into elliptical.
They
yes.
Every galaxy they could find, and they put them in it to kind of shape more taller in one way. And that's because we cracked the whip. So
who cracked the whip? Was it the
everything
demons
did.
or
Everything
humans?
did on the expansion.
Okay, but I thought you said that evil was fleeing
I
the
said
God.
there's another plane is all I said.
But you said that
and
that's
it's a
how the
dark
Big
shadow
Bang.
world. I'm telling you, there's no light.
Listen, you
What?
said the Big Bang was actually
bit.
the original sin and evil fleeing the presence of God.
No, the hyperinflation.
Once it had been
the
discovered.
cosmic inflation.
Okay.
Broke the speed of light. That's the law. That's the speed limit.
Do you think that that bothered Albert Einstein?
He couldn't think of it.
Oh. Is this a Troy Ryan?
The religious part of it.
Ism? Is this a new theory?
This is what I believe.
Okay, this is a new theory.
It's my theory.
Okay, it's Troy Ryan's theory. It possibly is, Troy. I'm not challenging
Actual and factual. So I think there's actually two planes, and the other plane is a shadow plane. It's like the dark matter and all that shit. It's weaker.
It is weaker, isn't it?
Yes, it is, Mark. But there's still gravity. I'm telling you.
And?
But it's slight. It's less.
Oh, it's less gravity, so they can do more floating?
That's the other plane.
So do toilets flush different?
No, there's still gravity.
Toilets flush different there.
No, it's just
less. Do you get the Coriolis effect?
It's the same, only less.
Only less.
Yes.
Are there less atoms?
It's the same kind of amount. Well, not exactly the same, because there's the actual...
Is there more space between the atoms? How is it?
I couldn't say.
Okay.
But I'm guessing, I don't know. It might be scalable in some way.
It might. Scalable as in mountain scaling?
But it's all going to be one big loop in there, because you're inside. We're inside.
Right, we are inside looking out.
See what I'm saying?
And what do we see?
It's going to last forever. The more things expand, the more time is going to slow down.
Thank God.
Yeah.
That works out good for me. Yes, for us.
For us, it's going to last forever. For an observer, we just blow up.
Oh.
Boom, gone. Everything cancels.
Yeah.
But for us,
I like
because
that.
of the other plane.
Because that's why the person on the edge of the black hole will never be observed going into it, because time slows down so much for them.
It rips it.
But from the observer from the outside, you never see him go into Infidium.
He's just gone because you're the observer.
Oh, okay.
His time is different than yours.
Right.
That's the difference, his time.
When will time slow down for me? 2015, you think?
It's the separation of the two. It's how much week you got.
What if I try harder to separate?
If you got a week, Mark, then you only got a week.
Okay, I have 1 week left.
Are you weak or strong?
I'm strong.
Thank you then. Then you
Thank
can
you,
get
Jesus.
superconductivity.
That's how I get my strength.
And then you slow down time.
Huh?
The closer you get to superconductivity.
Okay, I guess I'll get superconductivity. Where do you buy it at? I haven't even seen it online.
I just thought of it. Shut up.
Oh, that's right. Okay, folks. We've heard enough. Oh, thanks, Troy, for letting me record.